Hey, what's up, my guys? I hope you're doing well. I think yesterday I didn't record the trade that I took, but as I'm updating you that I'm on phase two, since I've been posting about the account, which is the 100k. You can see I started from here by buying an account, EP1, EP1, EP2, EP3. It's here. Then EP4 was around here, and 5 finally. So if you realize it well, if you get to know that I've been pushing slowly since we are in December, I'm only taking A+ setup. So yesterday I took my first trade on phase 2, which is 100k account. So the trade I took it at around, let me go, you can see gold, it has been in a downtrend, trending down. So I was trying to follow the trend. If you realize it well, you're gonna see that we had some kind of a resistance. So I expected some kind of a bounce to the upside, a drop, a retest to this area, and boom, a drop. So this is when I went to my lower time frame. This was that I was really trusting. I was expecting a drop from this zone. So when I go to the lower time frame, you're gonna see that what really happened. The market went up. We had some news. Then I expected some kind of a drop from here. Then I was waiting for any candle or any candlestick pattern or any candle closing below this area with a strong one. So I was waiting just any candle closing below. Where is it? Here, this is the day. I was waiting any candle closing below here. Of course, I got this one very nice engulfing. Then I went in here for sell, and I was targeting here below 1 to 2.5, and I got stopped out. And as soon as I got stopped out, the market went into my direction. So that is it. So I was very I was very tight. I didn't share this setup with my team, but of course I took a loss here. You can see this is the loss. I lost over 1000 USD, which is 1% on our account. You get. So again, I got a re-entry from here, but I didn't enter. For me, once I make one loss for the day, I get done. I don't normally deal with over trading. Most of the time I don't like over trading. Once I get one loss, I'm done for the day. Once I get a win, I'm done for the day. So for that entry, since I didn't share any signal with my team, this is when I texted my guys from my premium channel. You know what? Sell gold at this point. Where is it? No, it's not that one. Let's go to the current. This was the signal, and I gave it at around here. After getting this pin bar here, I gave them this signal current. It dropped, and the stop loss were just around here, around up this zone, this zone here. So this is where I had to put my stop loss, and boom, the market dropped down, and my guys really made money. So for the trades, for the profits, you can see. For the profits that I posted here, this is another Profam account that I'm really pushing very slow. For this one, the one I'm trading live, I didn't really push it. Trade, if I make one loss on a day, I'm done trading on that account. Maybe if I get another entry, I would rather maybe trade on a personal account or from another account. So that was yesterday. Yesterday it was Wednesday. Of course, today it is no. Sorry. Yes, Wednesday. Today it is Thursday. So today we are having some unemployment claims here news that I'm waiting. What is the time? So I'm gonna trade this news today. I think let's see what the day got for us. And we are down 1%, guys. As you know that I think today I'm gonna push the next trade of from our account, which is the 100k. If we get a very nice day, we may recover and make extra more 1%. I never know. Even if we lose like 1%, we shall come back tomorrow. It is Friday. We are having an NFP. It's gonna be a very beautiful week. So I think I'm gonna update you to the next trade that I'm gonna be taking. Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So if you realize it well, uh this is the trade. We hit the take profit. Of course, I was expecting some bearish momentum. Of course, if you go to the daily time frame, I can see even this candle, it may close bearish, because I'm looking at this level here. So that is it. Yeah, we hit the take profit. It was 2R, of course, 60 pips, but I collected at around 50 pips. I don't know, because I risked something like 25 pips. So you can see as soon as the price hit our SL, our TP, price is bouncing back, making some retracement. All right. If I check well here, my guys, as soon as I gave this signal, the price went direct to the take profit. You get, this was the trade. Most of the time I first tell them go sell gold, then after I give them the targets and all of those stuff. You get, so um let's go back to our charts. So that is it. We killed it to R. Very amazing. Which means on our account, if you check well, yesterday, which was Wednesday, we made a loss of 1,000, and today we made a profit of 2R, which is 2,000, which means we are up 1% on our account, on our funded account, phase 2 account. So let's see what Monday. I'm gonna update you on Monday tomorrow and see how the day goes. So that is it. All right. So yeah, you can see this was a pullback, which is a drawdown of 1%, and these are the two trades I've just taken from this account. All right. See you in the next trade. Let's hope tomorrow it is NFP. So I like NFP because most of the time it gives me entry, but it is what it is. We're gonna again. We don't need to over risk because we are having some A plus setup. Yeah. Somebody may ask a question: why did I enter this trade? You can see that this was this is a resistance. There's nothing like complicating things like support, resistance. If the market failed to go higher, came down, closed below this support, and this retest. If you go to the M1, you'll find a retest on this resistance, and a boom, a drop to the downside on the key level. So here, there's something someone may even scalp buy because it is going to make a retracement around here, make some 30 pips. But I'm out right now. Just on my phone after giving the signal, executing. I was just on my phone, and I didn't see my position. I was like, what's happening? After realizing that we already hit the take profit. You get, we already hit the take profit. So I was so surprised. So even if you can see that my guys are here, just you can see Branny the master. Let me see how much this made. You can see, oh my god, these guys went full margin. You can see he made over how much? That is the sale. He made over $300. Wow, this is nice. I have more clients from UK. You can see this is called ATX Pro. He just made 1K from the signal, and very many people made very many people are very are texting right now. I like it when people gives a feedback and be like, man, yeah, that is it. I think it's 1 week right now. It's just yesterday, but my team, they haven't faced any loss. That is it, because yesterday the loss I took, I didn't post it in the channel. I was too busy. But they made money because they I dropped the signal, which was the re-entry. All right, guys, let's see how what happens tomorrow. I'm done for the day. See you. Bye. So what's up, guys? Today it is Friday. I think we are having NFP, and I'm really waiting. So right now we are sitting at 1%, which is I'm expecting some sales. If we go to the charts, I'm expecting NFP to sell up to this point here down. Yeah, I'm expecting sales for NFP. But again, if I'm to check here, so that is it. Again, technically technically I'm more of sales, and I'm expecting bearish. up to this point here. Yesterday I was in for sales from this point up to this point here down, and because most of the time we may drop, catch a continuation, and even drop a little bit, and you know how price behave when it is time for NFP or something, or after the NFP. That is it. So see you when I'm taking the trade. Okay. Hi, hey, what's up? I hope everything is well. NFP move, as I told you, sales. I'm expecting some sales, drop a little bit and something. It's time for NFP. Some sales, pull back and sell again. But again, if you go to the daily time frame, you can see this is the level expecting NFP to sell up to this point here, down, down, down. How many moves are these? These are 250, 230 pips. So I'll be taking a note right here what's gonna take place, because I'm expecting some pullback or some buys around here. This is the level. I even posted it on Twitter. Someone is trying to call me. All right, that is the tweet. NFP sell gold by UJ. Though I didn't trade because I didn't see what I wanted. I don't normally trade everything, as I told you. I'm gonna come back if I take a trade. Today it is Friday. If I don't see what I want, I will not push. I'll wait for next week. No rush, guys. Hey, what's up, my guys? Everything moved well, as I told you. I've been telling you from the first that gold is gonna drop, and where it's gonna drop up this level. I've been showing you, and again after reaching that level, and gold it is starting to reject. I'll be taking a note right here what's gonna take place. Pullback, some buys. You can see how many pips are these are almost 70 pips. Now, to be honest, let me show you something. We are having another serious level, which is this level of support, and this level of support, the market violated it, didn't come back. So I'm expecting a bit of a pullback and a drop to this level. Like these levels that have support with ranges, you can see we are having this. Still far, we are having another here. You know how gold move like crazy. You can see, very nice. So you can never wait gold to drop here so that you can buy. You get gold, it can, now you can see that from here, from my level, that where I told you it's gonna jump from, it has moved over for 100 pips. Do you see that? Because if someone is gonna go in, this was the entry, which is 80 pips. Right now I'm likely not to trade. I think I'm gonna continue on Monday, but these are some of my point of interest that I'm gonna be waiting. There is no rush. You can see gold dropped over some pips. I knew it gonna sell. Yes, I knew it gonna make a retracement. Yes, but you see what I did? Discipline. Actually, when I just used my personal account, I bought some this retracement up to this level here, but not my profile, because I told you on my 100-year account I'm pushing high quality setup. Even if I get lost, as long as I follow plan. The reason why I didn't buy here, I saw some other point of interest below, like down. You get, so I wasn't trusting this buy, this retracement. So I went in with just personal account, boom, from this level like 60 pips, and I went out. So that is it, guys. I think I'm gonna continue on Monday. All right, guys, see you next week. Next week it is a CPI week. Let me check it here. It seems next week it is CPI or PPI. It is CPI week. So CPI week, I don't usually trade during CPI week. I don't trade CPI week, so I think next week I may push maybe 2 trades. It will depend. I'm not supposed to trade during December. That's why just make your one quality trade, and again, it's all up to you. Remember, everything it's within your control. That is the most important thing. There's nothing better than that. Like, you're the king, so it's all up to you. For me, I decided, for me, what I did, I was like, man, I'm the king. Like, I'm the king in my own territory. Like, if I don't want to trade, I'm not gonna trade. If I want to trade, I will trade. If you go to my, for example, people don't really know. I use my VIP as my channel. Every trade I take in the channel, every trade I take in the channel, every trade I take in the channel, I take it. Even you can see sell the entry. I was preparing for sales to give them a sell here, and this was the point. Or is it? This was the point here. I was going to give them sell around here, targets here down. So I was going to give them this sell, and you can see we really done. The volatility, it is too low, so yeah, no trade. Let me say no entry. The momentum, it is too low. All right, guys, so I think you're gonna do for me one favor. I want you to like this video, subscribe, and comment down if this video is so helpful to you. You can comment down, guys. So on our first two, we had only one loss, one win. This was the first trade. Second trade, which means we closed the week in positive 1%. Yes, plus 1%. So let's see what next week. I may push only one trade on Monday, but the rest, if I make it on Monday, the rest of the days I'm gonna chill, because I don't really everything. Whenever I try to trade CPI week, I really make losses. See you in the next video.